Ireland, with its stunning green landscapes and rich culture, offers plenty of opportunities for professionals looking to work abroad. If you are a pharmacist seeking to develop a career in a beautiful and vibrant country, Ireland has a lot to offer with well-paying opportunities and a growing healthcare sector. In this video, we will explore how overseas pharmacists can work in Ireland, covering eligibility criteria and the adaptation process. If you're looking to learn more about healthcare opportunities worldwide, make sure to hit the subscribe button for the latest updates. So let's begin with what overseas pharmacists need to do to work in Ireland. The Pharmaceutical Society of Ireland PSI is the regulatory body responsible for ensuring that overseas pharmacists meet the required practice standards. Overseas pharmacists must submit their certificates and documents to PSI for the processing. Earlier, only PharmD graduates were eligible to apply for the PSI registration, but with the latest update, that has changed. So who is now eligible to apply for the PSI registration? Overseas pharmacists with degrees in BPharm, MPharm and PharmD. After submitting your certificates and documents, PSI will determine whether you need to take the aptitude test or not. If you do not need to take the test, you can directly register as a pharmacist in Ireland. However, if your qualifications don't meet the PSI standards, you will need to take the PSI test. And the best part is, even if you need to take the test, you no longer have to undergo the adaptation period to get registered as a pharmacist in Ireland. Now, you can directly register as a pharmacist in Ireland. Amazing, right? So what are you waiting for? Start your preparation for Ireland with Academically today. If you're still not sure, you can get a free 101 consultation with our experts at Academically. You can also visit www.academically.com to learn more about us. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates on healthcare opportunities worldwide. Don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. This is Sunidhi Shahi signing off.